we've just acquired. It's absolutely stunning Ford Focus ST-3 diesel estate. Absolutely stunning condition. Got lovely anthracite alloy wheels. We're on Goodyear's tyres. It's got the park distance control and a rear camera. Twin exhaust there, the rear diffuser. Camera's just there. As you can see, the boot space hasn't been used and abused. Carpet mats are there. They really are hard to find in the estate version, these are. Drive's absolutely spot on. Full leather interior. ST-3 Recaro seats at the front. Electric windows, mirrors, obviously. What car doesn't come with those these days? Right, start the car up. It's an 85,478 miles. We have all your bar gauges there for your turbo, oil pressure. It's got satellite navigation, reverse camera, climate control, 3-stage heated seats, cruise control, volume control on your multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights. Just no wear on the gear stick or anything whatsoever. It's got NSYNC on it as well for Bluetooth. Yeah, a USB in there. That's where your sat nav card goes. What a lovely estate car. Looks very sporty. A lot of car for the money. It's a facelift model. If you require any further information, please call us on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.